Namaskaram. Here we are in the paddy fields of Isha Agro movement. This is Karpu Kavani Arasi or the black Kavani paddy or rice. This is a unique form of rice. We must know that in these lands of southern India, south of Deccan Plateau, particularly in Tamil Nadu, just a century ago, there were over 2,000 varieties of rice. Today, in our aspiration for quantity over quality, we have brought it down to just 2, 3 or 4 varieties of rice. First of all, let me tell you, Isha Agro movement focuses on helping farmers from chemical farming to natural farming for better economic returns and ecological sustainability. Many people in this region in the past have dedicated their lives to making this happen. Sri Nammarvar sir, who is no more, Nellal Jayaraman, who is named after the paddy. Isha Agro movement is currently the largest field-level movement focusing on natural farming in Tamil Nadu. Today over 10,000 farmers have gone through these field-level trainings. We have our own fields where different varieties of paddy and other crops are being grown here. This is a significant development and there are over 100,000 subscribers to the Isha Agro movement YouTube channel and also the WhatsApp groups which have become very active. So this is a massive movement growing in Tamil Nadu. This needs to happen across the country for all food grains. Just growing quantity was a priority when India was facing famines. It is time to shift to quality. To shift to quality grain simply means this, that we must go to traditional species which have immense advantages over the modern lab-developed varieties of rice. Look at this, it's as tall as me and in many places it's taller than me. So up to 5 to 7 feet it can grow. This means it not only feeds you, it'll also feed the animals. Today, the modern paddy varieties hardly come up to 18 to 20 inches in height, which completely takes away the animals from the farm because you will have to again buy feed for them. Here if you grow this type of paddy, one thing is it's very high value. Today, the black Kavani rice in the market at retail is selling over 500 rupees per kilogram. Super nutritious, and at one time it was said only the kings should eat this. But today if we grow it in larger quantities, we can bring down the cost in the market also, but still for the farmer it's like gold in terms of economic returns and above all, in terms of nourishment and human health. It's a tremendous way forward. Research shows that black Kavani rice contains 23 types of antioxidants and has the highest antioxidant activity of all rice varieties. This is the bounty of southern Indian land, which is of a unique nature, very rich bio capabilities. We must understand this. If you grow the modern varieties with lab-created varieties, it is just 23 rupees per kilogram of paddy. This will sell, as I told you, up to 500 rupees in the retail market. So, this is many fold over. One aspect with the black Kavani rice, it goes very well as a porridge, which is the way most people around the world consume the rice. So as a porridge, it makes a wonderful diet, wonderful morning breakfast. This could be marketed across the world in a very massive way and lead to farmer emancipation in this part of the country. And this is a magic, this is black magic, I'm telling you. If farmers shift to this and we find an international market for this, which is very easy considering the amount of scientific study that is already there and the amount of benefits that one will see by consuming this. Right now, we are looking at rice as a diet which causes diabetes, which causes various other problems, but that's not what it is. If you grow rice varieties like this, rice is one of the best cereals you can consume in the world. So, this whole Isha Agro movement is focused towards shifting farmers towards natural farming, and it is becoming a large movement. It's important that we develop markets for this. This market development has to happen with the involvement of organizations which have business experience across the world, and this is the way forward for our farmers. If they do little innovative market of going to the retail shops and putting their products, many major stores in the region are taking up directly from the farmer. If you want to double farmers' income, one of the most important thing is to go back to natural farming and to traditional varieties which will survive the weather, the insect attack and every other aspect much better. This natural farming is a boon to the farmer and the nation and the people, because in terms of nourishment, in terms of economic value and in terms of preserving the biodiversity and the soil quality, this is the way forward.